Hi guys, how are y'all? I hope y'all are having a fantastic Sunday night. So we are going to show y'all how to make a chocolate cookie cupcake. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. And I will let my husband start off from there.
You weren't supposed to be recording me. First, you're going to need a devil's food chocolate, Betty Crocker mix, or any mix you prefer. Simple ingredients. On this particular one, it calls for a cup and a quarter of water, 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and we're going to be using chocolate for the icing, along with fudge stripe cookies. You're going to need your traditional cupcake pan with the cupcake liners. You're going to need to set your oven at 350 degrees for this particular mix. Depending on what mix you use, it might range from 350 to 375. So first of all, we're going to set our ingredients aside and mix the batter. So we'll set our cupcake liners aside. Our cookies we'll use later. Our icing and our icing bag. Just like normal, put your cupcake mix in the bowl. Your water, your oil, and 3 eggs. Most people like to do this one at a time, but I prefer just to put everything at once and blend it to a mix.
Blend it, blend it.
Okay, now that's that. Just your typical cake mix. And again, just like normal, cupcake pan, cupcake liners, 12, and just fill the batter 2/3 of the way, just like it instructs you to.
That chocolate smells so good.
Okay, and that's it.
How long are you going to put it in the oven for?
Now we're going to put it in the oven for about 19 minutes at 350 degrees. And as soon as they're done, we'll see you here in a few minutes.
All right.
Now they're done, we'll go ahead and pull them out. And we'll let them cool down for a couple of minutes, then we'll proceed.
All right.
They're cooled down. So you just take one of your cupcakes, grab your knife, cut the top off, set it aside,
Go to the side.
get a bead of icing, chocolate icing just around. You just want to use a little bit to hold the cookie in place. Take one of your chocolate fudge cookies, wiggle it around, make it stick, and you get your chocolate fudge with your chocolate. You put it on top of your cookie fudge right there, just like that. And you get the top, place it back on top of the cupcake. Then you get some of your chocolate icing, and you just
Oh, that looks
go
fabulous.
around
That
till you
looks
have
fabulous.
completely covered the top of your cupcake. And you can hear my daughter in the background trying to attack me. Yes, cupcake cookie. Yeah. And then, once you're done, you set a cookie, you break it in half, and you put it right on top. And that is a chocolate fudge cookie cupcake.
Voila. Awesome, guys. So thanks so much for watching. We appreciate your time that you spend and coming to our channel. If you would not mind, please subscribe, comment, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and let us know what you want us to do next. We also do cooking. So let us know what we should cook next, or let us know what we should bake next. And what is your favorite holiday dessert? Let us know. All right, y'all have a blessed night. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.